Hey, this is Jason. This is a update on my 1999 Discovery 1. The Discovery 1 was made a couple months, I think about half the year of 99 until it switched to the Discovery 2. So yes, this is a 99 Discovery 1. I've had to do a lot of work to this car. Brakes, brake lines, had to do 4x4 work with the CDL, the locking diff. All the electronic switches had to be replaced or fixed. Sunroof motors, all the sunroofs do work now. Tremendous amount of stuff, but I've had it for about 2 years now. Admittedly, I don't do all of it myself. I do a little bit of it, but most of it is using some of the local clubs, people I've met, or local shops. It's October 22nd or so, I believe, and we're going to be getting snow probably in 2 or 3 months. So I try to do a proper wax job prior, so it has a nice clean finish. This is the original paint, but it looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and do a walk around of it. The one modification I'm looking to make on the front end, I want to put some type of additional lights, but I want it to be discreet. I don't want it to be just bolted to the roof or something. I'm thinking right under the license plate, a very small light bar, mainly because it gets pretty foggy where I live, and it would be really for practical use when driving. That's the other side of it, so this is the SD. I'm very happy with this truck. I feel like the Discovery 1 is going to be, the hard to come by vehicle in 5 or 10 years, more so than it already is. And I feel like finding one that hasn't been heavily modified is going to be very difficult. So my goal of this truck is to try to keep it as stock as I can. So going inside, you're going to see a lot of the trim work has been replaced or fixed. This whole door, all the plastic was messed up. The guy that I had do it up in Lancaster, PA, he said it was a Discovery 2 door that he put on the inside. I'm not too sure, but I take his word. I've had the inside cleaned. I just did it. I do need to replace some additional plastic things like the cover underneath. I'm going to get the seats done at a local shop. And then I have the, sagging headliner as well. Little tiny bits that I have to source to fix, just some of the plastic. But the boot for the shifters has been replaced. The 4x4 works. Upgraded radio mainly so I can have an aux in. The windshield wiper reservoir was also fixed. It was really odd. It had a golf tee in it and kind of rigged up. So this is the outside and inside of the Discovery 2. The Discovery 1, my 99 Discovery 1. I'll go ahead and make another video here and show the engine bay and what I've done under there in terms of cleaning it up and with it running. Talk to you soon.